Hello everybody, I'd like to take a few minutes today to talk about how SOLIDWORKS designers can take advantage of the collaborative task on the 3D Experience platform and utilize them right inside SOLIDWORKS to complete passive changes, such as the things you might do in a prototype phase where you don't need the full power of the change management capabilities of the platform. So let's dive right in and look at how that might work. So here I'm sitting in SOLIDWORKS, and of course I have the My Session window embedded into SOLIDWORKS. And I can have as many tasks I want, such as collaborative tasks. So I'm looking at a bunch of tasks here, and I may have lots of projects, so I'm going to filter it down by the task specific to a project I want to focus on. And I need to rebore a cylinder head, and I can see all the information about the task, and including in there is also an attachment. So I don't have to go looking for the data involved in the task. I can just drag it into session directly from the task panel. And I can look at the, I can make some adjustments to some of the parameters such as the estimated duration of this task. And I'm going to move it into work so that the owner of the task will be notified that I am actually getting into this project. So now what I do, of course, I'd put on my SOLIDWORKS designer hat. I'd make some changes to this. I needed to adjust the liner on this to a slightly larger bore and make some changes. Well, we're not going to go off into that right now. We'll just skip all that magic and return to the situation where the liner's done. I can return to the in-work task, and now I don't actually open it, but I can just drop it on the in-work task because the system knows that since it's in work, whatever I drag over there is a deliverable, not an attachment. You can see it magically has appeared in the delivery category, and I can go ahead and mark the task completed. So it's just a quick little example of what you can do here directly in the SOLIDWORKS product using tasks to drive change. Small change and what I call non-passive change activities. I hope you found this information useful, and if there's any questions about what I'm showing, please don't hesitate to post them on the Innovia user community. Thank you.